Hi guys! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the second part of this lecture video series about soil survey and classification. Today, we are going to talk about different diagnostic surface horizons or the Epipedon as well as the different diagnostic subsurface horizons which are basis for classifying soils. I hope meron kayong matutunan about this video and watch out for the third video which we are going to talk about different soil orders. Thank you very much for watching and let me know kung meron kayong mga questions. See you again next time. Bye!
And another property that we consider for classifying soils are the different epipedons or the diagnostic surface horizons. There are 6 epipedons. So we have molic, anthropic, umbric, histic, ochric, and plagan. Epipedons are the diagnostic surface horizons. Ito yung nakikita natin sa surface ng lupa. Number 1 is molic epipedon. What is the characteristic of molic epipedon? It has a thick, which is greater than 25 centimeter thickness, dark, soft surface layer with high base saturation, greater than 50%, good structure, and not hard when dry, and contains at least 1% organic matter. These diagnostic surface horizons are mostly formed under prairie vegetation. When we say prairie vegetation, that is grassland, perennial grasses yung nakatanim doon. And those grasses, when they die, they continuously build up organic matter. Kaya siya ngayon nagiging dark yung kanyang surface layer. So that is molic epipedon. You can, this is one of my favorite dessert, molo o chocolat. Molo in French is soft. It's like a, ano nga bang tawag dyan sa English? Hindi ko matandaan yung cake, guys, but then it's a very good cake. I like this very much. Ano siya, pag ino-open mo siya, when you open your teaspoon dun, liligwak yung chocolate sa gitna. Yun, molo o chocolate. So, very soft siya, guys, and brown and dark. Yun. So, that is molic. Second is anthropic epipedon. Anthropic epipedon is almost the same as molic, but it is either high in citric acid soluble P, mataas yung kanyang phosphorus, due to long use of phosphorus application, commonly in bones and household refuse. They are higher in organic matter than other soils of the region due to irrigation. So, in other words, this is a modified molic-like horizon which is high in available phosphorus. The third epipedon is umbric epipedon. It's also same like molic, but it has a low base saturation. So, mababa ng 50% base saturation. Kasi yung molic has greater base saturation. Yung umbric naman is mababa yung kanyang base saturation. Then we also have histic epipedon, which is considered as organic soil. This is very high in organic matter, which is at some season of the year saturated with water. So may possibility na saturated siya ng tubig. Unless artificially drained. And as clay content increases, the organic matter requirement increases from 20 to 30%. So makikita mo pa dyan yung kanyang mga organic residues. So, histic epipedon. Then we also have ochric epipedon. Ochric epipedons are thin, light-colored surface layers that do not fit any of the above. So, hindi siya katulad ng molic, hindi siya katulad ng anthropic, hindi siya katulad ng umbric, at saka hindi siya katulad ng histic epipedon. So, this is ochric epipedon. And then, we also have plagan epipedon. Kita nyo, ang kapal ng kanyang surface horizon. So the surface horizon of Plagan Epipedon, this is a man-made surface horizon, which is greater than 50 centimeter thick, half meter, and produced by long continued manuring practices for more than 100 years. So epekto siya ngayon ng manuring, yung pag-accumulate ng mga manures. Kaya siya naging kakapal at ganyan siya kaitim because of the long-term manuring practices, which is more than 100 years. So that is Plagan. So to summarize the Epipedons, the diagnostic surface horizons, we have here our reference is the Molic Epipedon. When you have an Epipedon which is lighter in color, it resembles like Molic, kapareho siya ng Molic. Yun nga lang, lighter yung kanyang color at saka thinner, mas manipis siya, then that Epipedon is ocric. Kung ang soil naman natin ay nagre-resemble ng Molic, yun nga lang mas madami yung kanyang organic matter, then it is histic Epipedon. Ang soil natin resembles Molic, but then it has low base saturation, less than 50% base saturation, then that is umbric. And then when that soil diagnostic surface Epipedon resembles like Molic, yun nga lang medyo mataas yung kanyang phosphorus, that Epipedon is anthropic. When that soil resembles like Molic Epipedon, pero made by long-term manuring, that is Plagan. So, ang reference natin ngayon is Molic. So, I hope natandaan nyo siya. Molic is dark, molu, dark, soft, thick, diagnostic surface horizon, Epipedon. And then, you just remember these features and then mas madali nyo siya ngayong matandaan. I hope this is clear, guys. Aside from the diagnostic surface horizons, the Epipedon, we also have the subsurface horizons. Subsurface meaning sa ilalim siya ngayon ng surface, sa ilalim ng lupa. So we have here argillic, natric, spodic, oxic, cambic, and none. When we say argillic subsurface horizon, that is a B horizon with T, BT subscript. It means that there is an alluvial horizon of clay accumulation. So meron siya ngayong translocation ng clay. Kaya nakarating siya ngayon sa B horizon. So that is argillic. So there will be a lot of clays accumulation in the B horizon. So there will be translocation of clays, BT. Then we also have BTN, natric. So that is like argillic, pero meron siya ngayong natric. Latin word for sodium is natrium. Kaya siya BTN. BT, the translocation of clay with sodium. So same as argillic, but with more than 15% of exchangeable sodium in the B horizon. And then we also have spodic. Spodic, so it has a subscript of BHS or BS. So there is an alluvial accumulation of oxides of aluminum and iron, the Sesqui oxides, kaya may S, and organic matter. So this is often red or dark red color and only found in acid sandy soils with high rainfall, generally found below E horizon. Kasi nagli-leach na yung mga basic cation. So yung natira na lang dyan is yung aluminum and iron, kaya siya nagiging red. So this is spodic. And then we also have oxic. So this is still in the B horizon with subscript of O, BO. This is very weathered layer of only iron and aluminum oxides and 1:1 clay minerals. Ano nga yung 1:1 clay minerals? Kaolinite, di ba? And it is very acidic and not very fertile. This is usually found in tropical soils. Oxic siya. There's a lot of oxides. Oxic. Then we also have Cambic. Cambic has a subscript of W. This is slightly altered layer, not weathered enough to be argillic. So, cambic siya. Of course, the none. So, the none, there is no diagnostic subsurface horizon present. So, wala kang masasabi, kaya siya none. So, these are the different diagnostic subsurface horizons. So, we discussed about the argillic, natric, spodic, oxic, cambic, and none. So, I hope this is also clear, guys. So to compare and to summarize the subsurface diagnostic horizon, so our reference here is the argillic. When the subsurface horizon, usually the B horizon, resembles like argillic, but then it has more aluminum and iron, then that subsurface horizon is called spodic. Pag less yung kanyang development, that is cambic. And when that soil is very weathered, that there's a lot of oxides of aluminum and iron, that is oxic. And when there will be a lot of sodium, then that is natric. Yun. So I hope matandaan nyo rin siya, guys. Mas madali nyo siyang maintindihan at matandaan kung alam nyo yung reference natin. So argillic yung reference natin for the subsurface diagnostic horizons. For the surface diagnostic horizon or the epipedon, ang ating reference naman ay molic. But then there are also other subsurface diagnostic horizons. We have duripan. This is hard pan, which is strongly cemented by silica, duripan. We also have fragipan, which is brittle pan, usually loamy texture that is very hard when dry, slowly permeable, and brittle when wet. It has low organic matter, high in bulk density, so compacted siya. They are weakly cemented and commonly formed from parent material that has a loamy texture, low or no carbonate content, and appreciable content of silt or very fine sand. So, fragipan. Then we also have calcic. This is the accumulation of calcium or magnesium carbonates. Then we have albic. These are light-colored or bleach layer, clay and iron and aluminum oxides mostly removed. Kaya siya nagiging white. Whitish yung kanyang color. So, light ang kanyang color. Albic. And then you also have gypsic, which is the accumulation of gypsum. And we have salic, which is the accumulation of salts. So, this information, you can find it mostly from the lower part of the soil, the subsurface of the soil. So, we call them subsurface diagnostic horizons. Mostly in the B or the E horizon. Samantalang dun sa surface horizon, you can usually find it in the A or the O horizon.
So that ends our topic. Thank you very much for watching and sana meron kayong natutunan from this video. Watch out for the third topic in which we are going to discuss about different soil orders. See you again next time. Bye!